Navigate through my running website. I'm going to explain a few features that I've included and show you some codes that I've actually implemented into the website. This is the main page that you will actually be introduced to, the home page. It's got a carousel on there. As you can see, I've included on the actual code itself, I've included the carousels, which actually allows the slide to work automatically, or you can actually navigate as you wish manually. I've included 6 HTML tags and they all display my pages. As you can see, I've got a stock page. It shows all the vehicles that I have for sale. Also sell my car, which we'll go into depth shortly. Also we've got a finance page and a contact us page. Okay, now moving on. The HTML, the prime factor is to instruct the browser what should be displayed within. For example, as you can see, I've included HTML tags. These HTML tags will allow whatever I intend on displaying. Also, I've used CSS. Now, I've used CSS inline and I've used CSS external. As you can see, CSS gives the ability to alter the appearance of any text or images. Over here, you can see Parkway CSS. This is my CSS file, which I've included. The tags that I actually included within the HTML file is maps, times, phone and body. I can show you that. That's been included on the contact page. As you can see, the maps are here, the times are there, the phone. As you can see, I've included the div class tags, which actually allows me to adjust the actual maps. For example, I'm allowed to position it, how far I want it from the left, from the top. This was a few external. The inline that I've actually included is, as you can see, if we go down, is here. I've included a div style tag. You can see the font, the size, the border, what color I wanted, where I want the alignment, and how far I want it from the margin. Also, to talk about the database. Now, that was the most important part for me. Was the database. As you can see, I have a sell my car page. Here now, a user can actually come and tell me what car they want to sell to me, or what car they have for offer. It could be part exchange or anything. The customer can come, put a name in. We'll just say Andy's come, Andy@gmail.com. Also, we can get their mobile number, what car they have, just say an Audi model. It could be an S3. We could just make up a registration, that's not a problem. Also the year of the actual vehicle, we'll just make that up as well. Also, they can leave a comment. For example, the mileage of the car. They could say the mileage is very low. It could be just say 4,000 on this brand new vehicle. Now, once the customer is satisfied and is happy, you can add actually up to 500 characters in the comment box. That's not an issue at all. They've submitted. Here I've used Java. This sends an alert to the actual user that it's been successful. Their submission has been submitted. Now, once the submission has been submitted, now it actually gets stored in a file here called submission.db. This I've used an external application called SQLite Studio. I'm actually able to now access this file, go to database, actually locate the file and open it up. Now this is a software supports this kind of files. As you can see, I can see all users that have actually accessed my website and actually made submissions in regards to what vehicles they actually want to sell. So I've got all that stored. Now this I can access anytime. I've got the customer's name, email address, phone number. If I'm happy with the offer they've got or the vehicle they're actually trying to sell to me or part exchange, I'm more than happy to give them a call back and book an appointment and call them in. Also, I've used Python Flask as well. Now if I'll show you, I've made a file here called main.py. As you can see, I've included the Flask coding. Now Flask itself is a function. It returns a string. As you can see here, there's an example. One of the examples here is requesting for an index.html, which is actually defined as the home page, and then it returns it, but within the Flask concept, within the Flask foundations. Also, there is use of Bootstrap. If I go to my index page, you can see that at the top, now this is implemented consistently throughout the whole website in each page. Bootstrap is actually a way of adjusting the website. If I was to use a tablet device, which a small device such as a tablet or a mobile phone, I'm able to actually the website is automatically able to adjust to the actual screen, which is very useful. I'd like to thank you for watching this short clip of a short tutorial about my website. However, I have provided an in-depth report which will be included that will describe all my steps and the features that are actually included within the website. Thank you again. Thank you.